Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's crypto market update for September 20th, 2018. Welcome, everyone. So, what has been going on? If we look at Bitcoin, basically, Bitcoin is still at the 63, 6400 level. Right now, it's doing 64.23, 1% up. But more importantly, if we look at the top 10, basically, most of the coins are unchanged or 1% up, with Cardano being 4.55% up for the day. Now, if you look at the market cap, just 200 billion, volume 12 billion, meaning a little bit less than usual. And if we look actually at the what happened to Bitcoin, yesterday was the CME futures expiration dates for the month of September, the third Wednesday on the chart, and we could see basically there was a sharp decline from it started at 63.20, it went all the way down to 6100, and then went all the way up to 6500. So it was a huge up and down, and right now we are again at the 6400 level, 63.94 to be exact, on Bitmax. So that was basically the big news of yesterday. That's why we saw an intraday up and down. Again, we're still in that channel of 6100, 6500, and it was tested yesterday, and both ways it's still there. Now, the news comes today from an app which basically can create a custodian free Bitcoin trust. So this application allows any Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Core users to save funds with a time lock. Now, this little lady is put up here. Let's say we give her 100 Bitcoin Cash and lock it up. When she becomes 17 or 18, an adult, she can then basically open it up basically. So this is a new way basically where you have basically a kind of a savings account with a lock, where you basically can lock it up for a couple of years, your Bitcoins or your Bitcoin Cash or your Bitcoin Core, and open it up in a couple of years time. I think it's a wonderful idea, and yeah, it's something to maybe provoke and use it for future dates. Then the next one is from a Japanese cryptocurrency exchange was hacked, and 59 million US dollars was lost. So it's this exchange called Zaf. Has been reported that on September 19th, yesterday, basically it was hacked for 4.5 billion yen, and which, where there was basically a total loss of 6.7 billion yen, which is around 60 million US dollars. So, yeah, this news was not really affected, I think, worldwide. But yeah, this is basically one of the news. Cryptocurrencies are getting attacked 100 times more than banks are. Then the next news is about Texas regulators to shut down 3 cryptocurrency scams. They've sent a cease and desist list to a couple of companies where they represent Coinbase, or they were representing Cointelegraph as such, promising a return on investment between 1,000 into 10,000 in 3 weeks, basically a tenfold in 3 weeks' time. So these miners, are from Coin Miner Investment Limited, Digital Bank Limited, as well as another company, basically Ultimate Assets, which basically give enormous our enormous return of investments, and that basically people would get trapped into these kind of frauds. So this was the news for today. Please look us up on bitcoinmagazine.nl for more information. More importantly, we are at Consensus Singapore this week. Wessel Simmons is making reports basically out of Singapore, and he's posting that on our YouTube channel. That's the news for today. I hope you come to the next one and have a wonderful day.